We spent a lot of time with this machine looking at how you're going to empty the bucket and thinking about customers' relationship with their dehumidifier and with the bucket. So it's a large bucket, it's 4.8 litres, which is great, so you're not going to have to empty it quite so often. But that also means that it's a lot of weight when you go to empty the bucket and you go to pull it out, which for some people can be a bit awkward. So first of all, we looked at how you actually pull the bucket out. So on the side of the machines, left and right, you've got quite a large recess, and that's designed for you to put your fingers into to give you leverage. Put your fingers into that gap there, it makes it so much easier just to pull the bucket out. Once you've pulled the bucket out, it will sit quite happily flat on your surface, and it's not going to then start to spill. Within the bucket itself, you've got a nice handle so that it makes it easy for you to pick it up, and this cover to make sure that you're not going to spill any water. When the machine is full and it's ready for you to empty, it doesn't actually tell you straight away. What it does is it keeps the fan running for several minutes in order to just blow through any water that might be at the bottom of the coils or within the spout, so that when you pull the tank out when the machine asks you to, you're not going to end up with little drips of water ending up on the surface by here. So as long as you wait for the machine to tell you that it needs to be emptied, you should never end up getting any water drips in the base of the machine there. When you do come to pull the water away, the fact that you've got an outlet on the left and the right will make things so much easier for you. You don't have to worry about twisting and turning. Is the sink to my right, is the sink to the left, am I right-handed, am I left-handed? You can choose whatever you want to do, and that just makes your life just a little bit easier. So, I want to pour to the right, no problem at all, I can. If I prefer, I'm left-handed, or my orientation is to the left, no problem, I can choose. Water you get from a dehumidifier, don't use it for drinking. It might be contaminated with dirt from the air or trace metals from inside the dehumidifier. Use it on non-edible plants if you wish, or just use it to flush the toilet. Whatever you do with your dehumidifier water, the way Arete is set up, both in terms of the intelligence within the machine and also some of the little features that we've added to the tank, thoughtful features for you, should mean that the water ends up where you want it to go and not getting spilt on the floor or over yourself.